Hey Adele.
Hello, love.
So, what have you been doing up to today?
I've been playing with this little mannequin. It reminds me of my ex-boyfriend. You know, those two albums that I sang about him? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. That was about him. I broke up with him, so I'd find someone just like him. See? I think I have one in here. I found someone just like him. And now I'm having a little young one. He's in here. But not yet. And now I'm gonna write a whole new album, Adele 31. Cause I just go Adele 19 and it goes to 21. Who knows? Who knows? So, I'm writing a new album, Adele 31. I just had a baby with you. You look just like that guy I used to date. See, they're all different songs. I'll write one called That Guy I Used to Date, but then I dumped him, so then I found someone just like him, except he had a better personality. It'll go something like this. I just found you, and you were someone like him, except you were nothing better than him, except you understand. That's my new song. This 8-ball says so. Should I write a new song album? Answers point to yes. So that means yes.
What can we expect from your new song?
My new song will cheer everybody up that broke up with somebody. They will find a new husband thing.
Yes. So, what can we expect from your new album?
Lots and lots of tears. I don't like my new man.
What if I said that your new boyfriend was cheating on you?
He is. He's cheating on me with Lady Gaga, Katy Perry. What? But I'll find someone like him. I don't know what you're saying.
So, can you give us a song? Can you start singing for us?
Never mind, I'll find someone like you too. I won't find someone like him though.
So then,
And
yeah.
also, I don't get one of my songs. Why am I rolling in the deep? Why am I rolling around in deep water? That doesn't make sense. Why did I
No,
write
it doesn't, Adele. It doesn't.
And why did I set fire to rain? That's not possible. You can't set fire to rain.
It is on SpongeBob, so yeah.
Oh yeah, but I don't live in the world of SpongeBob.
I do.
Of course you do. You little douche nozzle.
Well, isn't Adele being such a dumpling?
Yes, I am. Why'd you call me a dumpling?
Isn't it obvious?
You're a dumpling.
How's your little dumpling in your stomach?
Oh, that was a lie.
What?
Just for publicity. Oh, I'm not having a youngin'. I'm only 21.
Oh.
Aren't I?
I thought you were like 30.
Nope.
Oh.
That was all for publicity.
Um.
I just turned old enough to drink. You think I would have a youngin' now? Not having a youngin'.
Okay. That's about all.
Why is it about all?